What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing the internet's most hated shift boot. And as you can see, the one I have is ripped. Pop this ugly nasty thing off and just rise up like that. Let's see. Alright, you guys, so this is my first time ever doing it, so bear with me. So the first thing you're gonna need is a Crown Royal bag or a bag of whichever one you have, scissors, a Phillips screwdriver, and an X-Acto knife if you don't have. I have a box cutter. So to do mine, I'm gonna have to disassemble it, take it apart. And most of the people, since this bag is really thin and it really can't hold its shape if you just put it, some people just leave the original boot at the bottom and just put that one on top, which that's what I'm probably gonna do in this situation, because I don't want it to just, you know, I want it to hold its shape, and I don't want it just to be flopping everywhere. And I'm gonna have to cut this one like right there, just so it can open up and we can put it at the bottom. I'll try to cut it this one. This too. Alright, you guys, so I have it all cut, and now I just have to put it in there and then cut little like slots or circles or whatever. That way it can actually hold on to there. As you can see, it's nothing but, as you can see, I cut out the slots on every little hole that I need to cut on the Crown Royal bag. These small ones right there, I cut those, and then these, all those, all the way around. And don't forget to stretch it out as much as you can. That way it'll go all the way around. And on mine, I had to cut a little slot right here, like downwards. That way it'll stretch more. And thankfully on mine right here, you can't tell. Well, just a bit right there. And then at the bottom, you just put that plastic plate on there so it'll hold it down pretty good. Alright, guys, and there you have it. It doesn't look too bad. And on the back, if on your vehicle you do this, the same thing, and you can see the cut more. Some people just use the extra material that they have left over that they cut off of the bag, and then they just put it in there. That way you really can't tell. There you have it, and it should look better with the other shift knob that I have coming in the mail here pretty soon. But that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you didn't, let me know. Maybe I can redo it, or if you need more further details into how to do it, comment below and I'll tell you exactly how to do it. But I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hit the like and subscribe. Click the post notifications on. I'll catch you in the next one.